J that drain guy. Obviously, you see we got a bathtub that is backed up. So we're going to try to clear it out. You know what I found? 89% of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. Fun fact. Going to be using the Milwaukee, obviously. So I am seeing this bracket right here is broken. That. So I had somebody criticize me about snaking right through, so we got it cleared. We're gonna pull out, see if we got anything on the end. Right, a little bit of hair, and honestly that may have been on there. So the person who said that I shouldn't keep going with it because it'll just loosen and knock off whatever I did grab, I don't know. I am gonna snake it again just so you guys know. Oily, greasy. Look at that. There's a grease whirlpool. All right, now the management said they turned off the water, so I really don't know if they did. Guys, we got no water. So I'm gonna call him, tell him he needs to turn the water back on so we can test this. Hey boss, okay, I need you to turn the water back on. I'm in the unit, but I need the water turned back on. No, I went through the bathtub. Yes, yes. So I need you to turn the water back on. You're gonna do that now, okay? All right, thank you, thank you. No problem. Thanks a lot. Yeah, no problem. Bye. Tells me to stay here, stay here. I just want the water turned on. So now we gotta wait for him to turn the water back on. In the meantime, I'm gonna drop my snake in the bathtub, apparently. In the meantime, I'll turn the camera back on once the water starts. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Leave it cleaner than you found it. That's what they say.
Alright guys, there you go. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you wouldn't mind giving a thumbs up if you like the video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.